Hi lovers, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm outside doing my intro because it's a little chaotic in my house, so I thought we'd come out here and get started on the video. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you love to see more of me. And let me know what you guys are doing in quarantine. And without further ado, let's get into the video. On my way back to Target, guys. You know how it is. I literally live there. I love shopping. When things I can bring to, and I put you on a team that should win it. I'm fucking you tonight. There it is. Now let's see if I have my size.
Tell me what you into, tell me what you like. If you was rich tomorrow, tell me what would you do with it? And if you could see the future, baby, do you see me in it? Would you pay me for a minute, girl, before you let me hit it? Are you single, are you taking, working towards your edge?
Hi, sexy.
Yeah. Baby, no, in these eyes,
So these are my new favorite ones. I have this one in the bathroom right now, and I just bought that one last week. Just waiting for a pickup. First place I've ever seen have masks on. You don't mind, right? Oh, you don't mind that
Hold on, let me do my hair.
Oh, please. Good night. You are so sweet.
Oh, over here too?
No, Mom, that's their Oh, I don't know.
Is it okay? Yeah. No,
Oh, wow. Oh, like it's a one-stop shop, guys. Don't worry, I'm not going to touch anything. Say hi, Grandma.
Hey.
They made her wear gloves. Do I need anything? If I need something, I'll just tell Grandma to grab me what I need.
Huge.
Mom, so I need a black one of these. Can you grab one? Make sure it looks nice and pretty.
Very pretty.
Okay, let me see it real quick. Make sure that it's... Okay, perfect. And then I need a white one. A white one. Should I do a 4th of July one too?
Yeah.
Okay, get me a 4th of July one for 4th of July. No, I don't want a 4th of July one. We Gucci.
Yeah, I think you should get one.
Nuh-uh.
You're no fun.
I'm no fun son.
You're Gucci.
Wowzer, it's windy out here, guys. Look at my sick ass mask I got. My mom's friend hooked me up. And we're just waiting here. Let's go. I am tired. This is why I can't have nice things, because I get stuff everywhere. No joke. I have been super tired. I wish I could explain why, but that'll be another video when I'm ready to talk about why I've been literally so tired. Beautiful shirt, and I always ruin it. Always. Always. This is why I can't go places. So we are headed on a Ralph's run. So what was up with all the sirens?
A house was on fire or something.
In this area?
Yeah, but I don't know where.
Oh my God.
Dad, well, it came out on the news. But I
You
heard the
know,
sirens. There was a
everyone,
lot
I
of
don't watch the
sirens.
news. There was a lot. A lot. My mom just did an illegal U-turn Where do you think I got not following the rules?
Don't believe her.
It's the truth, guys. I'm filming for my YouTube. Don't you miss me?
Yes, I do. Now I'm popular.
Of course. My aisle to look for some antibacterial. We need wipes. Another? Oh man. Kimberly's. Kimberly is the shit. Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Hi. You're such a bugaboo. Oh, are you pointing? Leave my package alone. Oh, come on. Stay down. Good girl. Roll over. Roll over. All the way. Good girl. Always gotta be close to me, huh? I know. I know. I know. Arr. Oh God, she does this every morning, guys. Like, she's crazy. Oh no. She always does this. Oh my God. Excuse me, Bella. Stop. Be nice. Be nice. Excuse me. So guys, it's finally the day that I need to pack up this room and head out to the office and put all my stuff there. We have Bella on the camera. We're gonna start packing, so let's go. High five. Good girl. I love this song so much. We're gonna burn it. Here's a tip about candles. Every time you use them, you need to trim them. You don't want them to look like this. So you can get a trimmer, a candle trimmer, or you can just use regular scissors. Just grab this part to get all the excess out, and that's how you want it to look. And then you throw this away. You're good. Sick frame from Chicago. I'm right there with my Chicago Bulls jacket. Oh my God, obsessed. This was against the Golden State Warriors. It's when Derrick Rose used to be in Chicago Bulls, but not anymore. What is he like in New York Knicks now? I don't remember. This photo from the popular demand Instagram. I just thought it was cool. It's Blake and some chick. Fun fact, I like bunnies. People who know me know I like bunnies, I like tigers, I like penguins. What do you like? Leave it in the comments. Who is that person? It's not me, guys. I know I post him a lot on social media. It's not him. I got it off of Instagram. I love photos that are very artsy. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you should know that. My crystal. I do collect crystals. Mostly I just collect black and white ones. But I got some crystals that are new that I absolutely love. I wish I could show you, but photo from Paris. When I went to Paris Disneyland, I got my helper. She always helps me, my little niece.
panic.
Learn your acromens. It's a laundry chest. We're gonna move it. We gotta move all the furniture. Think.
I can't pull that out.
Because you saw what was in it.
Yeah.
Get away. There's something in there that she doesn't want to see. It's a laundry chest. What do you think's in there?